Hello friends, I just wanted to show you an easy kind of cheap repair you can do, save a lot of money. You can call a plumber for something like this, and really the only thing wrong with it is this little diverter is stopped up. Now what happened on this one was this cartridge went out in here, so we replaced the cartridge and it worked fine for 3 or 4 days, and then the diverter started clogging up, and that's because when you turn the water off down below and on the valves, it breaks up the little crust off the valve seats and things, and they flow through your faucet, flow up through here and get stuck in your aerator. I've been calling it a diverter, but it's actually an aerator. So when I tried to clean it out, this little fine screen part cracked. Maybe you can see that right there, and so I went ahead and lifted it out with the point of a sharp knife, and this is the inside part, and it had all kind of little particles inside there. So I'm going to screw that back in here and see, as you can see here, there's nothing in it now, and then this is plastic threads here. I'll try to order a new diverter because of that small screen being messed up. But also, I forgot to mention, you probably need a tool like this on this particular type. It's a Delta Victorian, and it came off of, we got that from Amazon for $8. And it's got 5 different sizes on it. Got to line up the right one. You can kind of see the teeth on there. I call this a castle tool because it's shaped like the top of a castle. It's a little hard to keep it in line. It keeps slipping off the little teeth, but just turn it a little bit at a time, and you'll get it in. And then I tried to get it out with just like needle nose pliers or something, but it wouldn't come out, and I could tell I was probably going to break something if I kept fooling with it. So I just went to Amazon and ordered that part, that tool, and waited 2 days for it to get here. In the meantime, we had a slow running sink. Let me get that snugged up. And if you don't tighten it all the way up, it's got an O-ring that won't seat in there, and the water will blow out sideways. A little bit of the water will blow out sideways. Let's see if I got that. Once it gets up in there a little ways, you can't see it to kind of feel and see if it's seated. It seems to be seated pretty tight. Let's take a look and see how the water flows. Yeah. That's much better. It wasn't flowing at all, or almost not at all. Now I'm probably still going to order a new aerator because of this little piece being broke here, and I really don't think it's flowing as fast now as it did when it was new. So it'll work fine for now. If you will, like and subscribe if this helps you at all, and I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.